Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I prepared for you something that I've seen on TikTok. There is this 3-3-3 challenge where you style 3 different tops, 3 different bottoms and 3 different shoes. So I decided, you know what, let me try something like this. It really seems like a fun, and since we're having a really nice and sunny day today, I decided, you know what, I want this challenge to be a little bit more inspired by spring, simply because I felt that way. Therefore, I went a little bit bolder and I'm including these really beautiful Zara shorts. Then I have these gorgeous, my favorite high-waisted Zara trousers that I absolutely adore. I simply find this piece to be suitable and so easy to style and combine with so many different pieces. Then we have these high-waisted balloony sort of design trousers from H&M. Then I included this white shirt. I have to be honest and say that at first I wanted to be a little bit more experimental and wanted to include a t-shirt, but since this is the first time I'm doing this challenge, I wanted to keep it safe. Therefore, I went after the white shirt that is absolutely so easy to style and combine. And then we have this really beautiful, gorgeous and elegant crew neckline. This is a blouse from H&M and I absolutely adore it. Beautiful cream piece like this, again, can be styled so easily with literally everything. Then we have this turtleneck sweater. It is honestly a lighter sweater, it's like on the lighter side, it's not that thick, so therefore I found the pieces like this honestly wearable even for those a little bit just chillier or colder spring days. When it comes to shoes, I have these Zara loafers. Then I have these really simple and white H&M sneakers. And finally, I have these gorgeous mules from Zara. They are absolutely amazing simply because they're so neutral. They come in this really beautiful beige tone and I love them because I can easily style them with anything. As you can see from the pieces that I selected, I tried to include different sort of design in each one of these pieces simply because I wanted to add diversity to this challenge. I didn't want it to look like plain even though tones are a little bit plain. So yeah, let's get on to the lookbook. I hope you like these examples and hopefully something like this can make you realize all of the pieces that you can style within your own wardrobe by just mixing them all together. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it and let's get on to with it.